I also want to point out on this Henry Kohler movement, and the reason why I was having time finding the right wheel is the bird lever is on the time side wheel, where in movements today, the bird lever and the trip levers are on the this side of the movement, where the gong and high note and low note lift lever is. So as I fiddle around and showing you on the back, I'm wanting to trip the time great wheel, but it's wrong. It's on this side to activate the um, cuckoo. And so it's on the correct side, but this lever and these levers and the trip lever is on the opposite side of the cuckoo. And the little pin on this wheel here is only to trip this lever here. But just wanted to point that out so I didn't confuse anybody. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.